I'm Janet Nunn, and today I'm going to show you how to get ready for our class. And we are going to be doing these wonderful crabapple blossoms. And one of the keys about this class is that we weren't using a brush. I'm just going to kind of prep you because that way it will be so much fun. This is the final painting that we're going to be doing. The things that I have just to kind of help out is when you sign up for the class, you will get a couple of things. One is a supply list of all the supplies, and the other is a step-by-step lesson. So if Zoom's not your thing, guess what? You can still follow along, and it will be really easy for you to do Zoom. So I just wanted to make sure that we were going to be totally prepared. Steve said, well, maybe we should just do a little bit of, getting us going. So we're going to do that. Now, I call this lesson containment. What I mean by that is we are containing the paint. And to do that, we need to mask off what we're going to do. And I'm kind of going to show you this. I'm just going to talk through this a little bit here, and then I'll kind of, in containment, it is exactly, we want to save the white of the paper. Now we're going to pull away. I'm going to give you a little preview of the first part. This is a bunch of crab apples. There are lots of branches and these flowers just burst out. There's not a lot of leaves, so that's why I love it. I'm going to take a palette. In the lesson that you get, so you have to sign up to get the lesson, I talk about the colors that I'm using. And you take string and dip it in the water just to kind of get things going. So let's just get that in there. That is absorbing. So what I'm going to end up doing is running the string right through here in a motion, very similar to this. See how it goes back and forth? And the string just absorbs the paint. So I'm also have a mister. This allows the water and the paint to react. And I'm just spraying. I'm spraying so that I have these little droplets of water, and there's also droplets of dry area. See how you can see that in there? That's what's so cool about it, is the paint, when it hits the droplets, explodes. And when it hits the dry area, it doesn't do anything. And it gives that random type feeling. Now, I'm going to take this yellow, because I said I was going to start with yellow. And I'm just going to give you a little demo on what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to come at an angle, and this is my paint. I'm going to come about a ½ an inch right in there, and I have the starting of a branch. Now I'm going to dip this into the quinacridone magenta. Come right here. I'm going to keep the magenta on the bottom side because we're going to have light closer to the top. Notice how you can just move the string back and forth. Oh, and every once in a while you get these beautiful dots. Oh my goodness. That is just blossoms in the background. Now we need some shadow in that. Let's just take that and add the cobalt violet. And I'm putting that on the bottom. So when the cobalt violet hits it, it's going to explode. Look at that. It's just so cool. So I have one branch here. It's a pretty stiff branch, but I can come over here. We would have spent all day getting these branches. And this is just so easy and fun. Now, looking at that, you're going, oh my gosh, she's got a mess happening. Yes, I do. And that is the best part about this. And I can show you what this is going to look like when it goes back. Okay. Did you notice how when I took off the masking tape, all those lines that were just right in front of your face went back? And now it looks as if I have these beautiful branches that are going to be holding the flowers that I'm going to make. And you know what? This is a to be continued episode, because now if you sign up for the class, you will be able to see how we're going to finish this and how we're going to get from here to here. Hopefully I will see you guys and it will be a lot of fun. Thank you very much.